Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to customize Finder after a fresh macOS install. These are the exact tweaks I use to make Finder way more user-friendly. First off, when you open Finder, it defaults to the Recents folder, showing all your latest files. I don't really like this setup, so I'm going to head up to the Finder menu on the menu bar and select Settings. Here you'll see 4 tabs. In the General tab, I'll change the New Finder Windows Show option to a specific folder, like Documents. This way, whenever you open a new window or tab, it jumps straight to that folder. Next, let's look at the Sidebar tab. I rarely use Recents and Shared, so I'm just going to uncheck them. This instantly makes the sidebar look a lot cleaner. You can totally customize what shows up here based on your workflow. I don't use iCloud much either, so I'll go ahead and disable those options too. Moving over to the Advanced tab, I always check Show All File Name Extensions. Under Keep Folders on Top, I'm going to check both boxes. This is super helpful because it forces folders to always stay at the top of the Finder window. And for when performing a search, I change it from Search this Mac to Search the current folder. This means when you hit Command F, it only searches the folder you're currently in, which is way faster than searching your entire drive. Next, I'll go up to the View menu and turn on Show Path Bar. You'll see the file path pop up at the bottom of the window, so you always know exactly where you are. You can even right-click on a folder in this path bar to copy its path name. While we're still in the View menu, I'll also enable Show Status Bar. This gives you quick stats at the bottom, like how many items are in the current folder, and more importantly, how much free storage space you have left on your Mac. Here's a quick tip for Mac beginners. Finder actually has 4 different view modes: Icon, List, Column, and Gallery. You can quickly switch between these views using the keyboard shortcuts Command 1 through 4. Another cool feature is the Go menu, which lets you jump to common system folders. For example, let's go to the Home folder. Here, if you right-click and select Show View Options, you can check Show Library folder. Apple hides this by default, but if you need to access system files frequently, it's really handy to have it visible. In that same View Options menu, you can adjust icon sizes or even change the background to a solid color or an image. Just keep in mind that these tweaks are folder-specific, so changes made to the Home folder won't apply to other folders. macOS does this on purpose, so you can customize individual folders without them overriding each other. And finally, if you've got way too many Finder windows open, you don't need to click the red X on every single one. Just press Command-Option-W and it instantly closes all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.